Hello friends, my name is Abhishek Chavan and I am going to tell you about our today's Viva topic, that is exception handling in Java. The exception handling in Java is one of the powerful mechanism to handle the runtime errors so that the normal flow of the application can be maintained. Exception. Exception is an abnormal and unwanted condition. An exception is an event that disturbs the flow of program. It is an object which is thrown at runtime. So what is exception handling? The uh, the advantage of exception handling is to maintain the normal flow of the application. Example: suppose there is an uh, IO statement in Java program and an exception occurs at statement 5. Hence, statement 6 to 10 will not be executed. When we perform exception handling, the remaining statement will be executed. There are mainly two types of exception handling: uh, checked and unchecked. An error is considered as unchecked. First is checked exception. The classes that directly inherit uh, throwable class except runtime exception and error are known as checked exception. Second one is unchecked exception. The classes that inherit the runtime exception are known as unchecked exception. And third one is error. Error is irrecoverable. There are some Java exception keywords. First one is try. The try keyword is used to specify a block where we should place an execution code. It means we can't use try block alone. Try block must be followed by either catch or finally. Next keyword is catch. The catch block is used to handle the exception. It must be preceded by try block, which means we can't use catch block alone. It can followed by finally block later. So next keyword is finally. It is executed whether an exception is handled or not. Next keyword is throw. The throw keyword is used to throw an exception, and the throws keyword is used to declare exception. It doesn't throw an exception. It always used within a method signature. So this is all about exception handling in Java. Thank you.